Have you ever wondered how plants grow without soil? Welcome to the world of hydroponics, a science that lets plants thrive without a speck of soil. It's simple yet intriguing, making gardening accessible to all. Now, you may be curious as to how this magical process works. Hydroponics, at its core, is all about providing plants with the nutrients they need directly. Instead of relying on soil as a nutrient delivery system, hydroponics uses a water solution enriched with essential minerals. This direct delivery allows plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently, promoting faster growth and higher yields. The crux of hydroponics lies in the balance of water and nutrients, the lifeblood of plant growth. But how do we set up such a system? Let's dive into that. Setting up a basic hydroponic system is surprisingly simple. It all begins with choosing the right container. This can be anything from a fish tank to a plastic tub, as long as it's watertight and large enough to accommodate your plants. Next, it's time to prepare the nutrient solution. This is the lifeblood of your hydroponic system, providing your plants with all the nutrients they need to thrive. You can find ready-made solutions online or at your local garden center. Once you've got that sorted, the final step is to place your plants. Make sure they're secure and their roots are submerged in the nutrient solution. And there you have it, your very own hydroponic system. But don't go just yet. Hydroponics is an exciting and innovative way to garden. We've covered its many benefits today. It's a sustainable approach that conserves water, optimizes space, and offers efficient plant growth. It's a method that invites everyone, from city dwellers to countryside residents, to experience the joy of cultivating their own food. So why not give soilless gardening a try? You might just discover a new passion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!